So Keith, I think you would agree we're probably at the doorstep of another technology boom with AI. Right? I mean, AI is something, 10 years ago we weren't talking about AI. 5 years ago we were maybe talking about it, but there was no practical application for it. Talk a little bit about what you've encountered with AI and just what your from a business standpoint, what do you think the opportunity is, the concern is? If I'm a business owner, what do I need to be concerned about or ready for when it comes to AI?
Well, there's a whole host of things that they talk about in terms of the fear of AI, in terms of copying, and plagiarism, and kids not, being able to learn. Not that they're not able to learn, is that they're cheating. I can go in and to ChatGPT and go, I need a report. I need it to be 750 words on the history of technology.
Mhm.
Okay. Or I need it to be 10 pages. I want a font size of 12 points, double spaced. I mean, literally, the way AI works, I'm still fascinated. I'm as fascinated about AI as I was about the technology of 40 years ago with the advent of desktop computing.
Mhm.
And I've taken the same position with AI that I took with technology 40 years ago. I fear nothing. When it comes to technology, and I'm what I'm saying, I feel so strongly about is that this is not like, running across the street hoping you're not going to get hit by a car and get killed. Literally, there's very little you can do, okay, that you're going to hurt yourself by trying it and becoming proficient,
Mhm.
because it is amazingly helpful in terms of time savings.